The sun bursts in, golden and bright. She jumps from the bed, ready for delight. Stretching arms, a giggle escapes. Today feels magical, no time to waste. A knock. Breakfast is waiting. Come quick. Mom's cheerful voice makes the moment click. She races to the door with sparkling eyes. A surprise awaits, a morning prize. Mom arrives with bread that's steaming hot. A cup of choco hits the perfect spot. This is for you, my darling girl. Love of flavor in every swirl. So soft, warm, and round. Golden brown, the very best. Wow, so fluffy, she shouts with glee. A bite of joy, pure energy. Steam rises high, a chocolate cloud. She sips it slow, feeling so proud. Sweet and rich, it warms her soul. Hot choco magic makes her whole. What is a nice way to pair with a bread? At the table, laughter rings clear. Bread and choco, love is near. Mom and daughter, side by side. Daily delicious dose every single day. Now, how do we achieve this warm and delicious joy? Check out the DailyBread Cookbook. Then try the hot recipes, which are PANDESAL, COCO ENSAYMADA. Your PANDESAL should be golden, soft, and fluffy. Your coco should be baked with a sweet coconut filling. And your ensaymada should be fluffy, cheesy, and sweet. You can also explore many other Filipino bread recipes. You can also read in the DailyBread Cookbook about the culture behind the bread. Pandesal is the morning bread. It's a symbol of daily life and togetherness. Coco is deeply tied to Filipino farming and island culture. It shows how local harvests become comfort food. And Ensaymada, it's festive, often shared during holidays and celebration. So don't wait. Bring joy to your kitchen today. DailyBread Cookbook makes baking easy, fun, and full of culture. Taste the warmth, share the love, and let every bite tell a Filipino story. Daily delicious dose, comforting food. Come and get our cookbook now and bake with joy.